Hey photographers, it's Grace here from Printbest, your print-on-demand partner. Have you ever wanted to make more money from your photos? Let's be real, who hasn't? Today's video is about how you can turn your photos and skills into products that sell so that you can earn more money from your photography. But before we start, we want to hear about your experience as a photographer. What do you like most about being a photographer and what are your biggest challenges? Tell us in the comments below. Then don't forget to subscribe because we'll be making more helpful videos in the future. Now, let's begin with 10 ways to turn your photography into products or services that sell. The first product is a digital one, stock photos. These are one of the most popular products that photographers sell online. If you have existing photos that meet the requirements of stock photo websites, then you can simply sign up for an account and upload them. The stock photo market is projected to be worth $4 billion by 2023, so it's definitely a market that you'll want to explore. Plus, the income you generate is passive, so it's great for busy photographers. If you're looking for a few websites to get started, we list some of them in our blog article, which is linked in the description below. The second product is photo prints. Home and office decor are huge markets that buy wall art featuring photos. This includes anything from framed photographs and canvas prints to posters and tapestries. All types of photographs make it onto the walls. Beautiful landscapes, dancers in motion, macro photos of food, you name it. There are lots of websites online that allow you to sell printed works like Etsy, Fine Art America, and Saatchi Art. Number 3, you can sell your photos on merchandise. Think apparel, drinkware, accessories, and gift items. With all the new technology, you can print your photos on pretty much anything. Like photo prints, you just need an online store and a company that prints for you. The biggest challenge here is inventory. Printing a bunch of merchandise and storing them until they sell can be pretty risky if you're just starting out. To avoid making a big upfront investment, go with a print-on-demand company. This way, you'll only pay to print when someone orders from you. To learn more about how to get started, visit printbest.com. Our prices are on average 20% lower than other print-on-demand companies, so you can save on costs and earn more profit. The fourth product is digital customization files. What are these? They're things like digital wallpapers, phone widgets, Facebook banners, and phone themes. Most photographers today save their work as digital files anyway, so these are just easy products to produce. You can sell them on your online store alongside your physical products. If you're really busy, this is another great passive income opportunity. Number 5, you can provide photos for ID documents. This one requires more work, but it's always in demand. ID photos include anything from passport photos to security badges. To get started, you'll need to do some research on the requirements of these particular photos. Then you'll need to set up a small studio and promote your photography services. Start with people you know and then ask them to refer others. Number 6, commercial photography. This involves taking photos or selling existing photos to businesses like travel agencies, real estate agents, restaurants, and magazines. This is always in high demand for commercial photographers because visual marketing is so powerful. A study by BuzzSumo found that Facebook posts with images get 2.3 times more engagement than those without images. So how much can you expect to earn? Big companies like Teen Vogue pay $500 for 2 days of work involving 26 shots, and Vanity Fair paid a photographer $2,000 to capture Paris Fashion Week. You probably won't get those kinds of gigs right away, but it just shows how much businesses want and need good photography. So build that stellar portfolio. Number 7 is more about your photography knowledge than about the photos themselves. You can sell online courses where you teach people about photography. There are easy-to-use platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable where you can host your online courses. Photographers like Sean Dalton have earned over $7,000 a month teaching online courses, so it's clear that the demand exists. Do a bit of research on how much you can charge for your courses based on what other photographers at your level are charging. Number 8 is another way to sell your knowledge. You can review photography equipment or software through YouTube, social media, or your blog. In a survey done by Podium, 95% of customers say that online reviews play a major role in their buying decisions. Once you establish yourself as an expert in the field who provides helpful, honest reviews, you can start looking into sponsorships and affiliate programs. These allow you to enjoy free products and earn commissions from affiliate marketing. If you're interested in how affiliate marketing works, check out the link in the description below for the Printbest affiliate program. Number 9, this method allows you to sell multiple photos in one package, photo books. Even though we live in a digital world, physical books are withstanding the test of time. Photo books serve so many different functions. They're not only beautiful to look at, but they also work as home decor, gifts, and an excellent way to capture memories. Businesses also use photo books to promote their products and services. Self-publishing a book can cost anywhere from $15 to $150 for a large hardcover. Your biggest challenge will be to sell them, as you'll need to promote them on your own unless you're creating them for a business. Before revealing number 10, we want to remind you to like this video if you learned something new and subscribe to the Printbest channel. We're always making new videos to help entrepreneurs, photographers, and artists make money online, so don't miss what we have in store for you. Now, you might have guessed what number 10 is already. Here's a hint. Not only is it super popular, but it's also one of the highest paying service-based work a photographer can get. You guessed it, event photography. From weddings to corporate events, people need photographers to capture important moments. Expert photographers can make up to $200 to $500 an hour. A full 8-hour wedding package could cost anywhere from $1,500 to well over $2,000. Remember that in addition to the time you spend at the event, you also need to factor in time for traveling, editing, and communicating with your clients. Start by doing photography for family and friends to build your portfolio. Then have them refer you and give good reviews. Expand your event photography business from there. Those were 10 ways to turn photography into products or services to sell. Some of these methods are easy to start, and you can make passive income from the comfort of your home. If you're looking for products to sell or a company to print your photos, check out our product catalog linked in the description below. Good luck, thanks for watching us, and we'll see you next time.